Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Okay students, already in my previous session I completed successfully introduction part, nomenclature, classification of alcohol and general preparations method and industrial preparation methods also. So these are already completed in my previous session. Now we are going to start very important part, physical properties of alcohol as well as chemical properties of alcohol. Physical properties and chemical properties. Listen my dear students, in this particular area, physical properties and chemical properties, in both point of view, 2 marks, 3 marks area is the most important. That's why every student is compulsory to focus in this particular area, physical properties of alcohol as well as the chemical properties of the alcohol. See here, alcohol physical properties. So first point is, the lower alcohol are colorless. Lower alcohol are colorless. Actually you know that very well. Generally alcohol are colorless, but especially lower alcohol are colorless and liquids. So lower alcohol are colorless, liquid, characteristics alcoholic smell. You know that alcoholic smell is nothing but generally some pleasant smell, but if you concentrated alcohol is a dangerous smell. So see here, the lower alcohol are colorless, liquid, characteristics is alcoholic smell, but higher alcohol, it means, what is the higher alcohol right now here? More than 12 carbon atoms. If the alkyl group, more than 12 carbon atoms are present here, that is considered as a higher alcohol. So, but higher alcohol, more than 12 carbon atoms, it's colorless and smellless, waxy solid. Listen very carefully. Lower alcohol is always existed liquid state, but higher alcohol is always existed waxy solid and odorless. Odorless is nothing but smellless. So higher alcohol, more than 12 carbon atoms present in any alcohol, that is generally colorless and smellless and waxy solid. So see here, generally alcohol existed two different kind of the physical state. Number one is the liquid state because of the lower alcohol. In case of higher alcohol, the alcohol existed the solid phase, and in this lower alcohol, colorless and liquid and characteristic smell is the alcoholic smell. But higher alcohols means more than 12 carbon atoms alcohol are colorless, smellless also. There is no any smell but waxy solid. This is the first point. And second physical properties of alcohol is, they are soluble in water. You know, all alcohol easily soluble in water due to, this is the most important point. Why alcohol easily to soluble in water? Because of hydrogen bonding. If any one of the molecule presence of hydrogen bonding, they are easily to soluble in the water. So here alcohol is also, you know that general representation formula of alcohol, ROH. In between of the H2, in between of the H2 oxygen, hydrogen bonds are there. So that is a key point. Why alcohol easily soluble in the water means due to the presence of hydrogen bonding, But they are partially soluble in organic solvent, partially soluble in organic solvent. So the second point is they are easily soluble in the water because of the hydrogen bonds are present here, and organic solvent such as organic solvent ether, CS2 carbon disulfide, in this kind of organic solvent alcohol is soluble but partially soluble, partially soluble. This is the second point. And third point is they are liquid in the nature. Generally alcohol normally existed in the nature as a liquid state, but more than 12 carbon atoms are present, more than 12 carbon atoms. See, they are liquid in the nature up to 12 carbon atoms. Up to 12 carbon atom means up to 11 carbon atoms, up to 11 the alcohol are generally existed in the liquid state. More than 12 carbon atoms, it's a solid. Already I explained this information in the first point. Okay ma? So once again repeated. First point is lower alcohol is colorless liquid, characteristics alcohol smell. Higher alcohol more than 12 carbon atoms, colorless, smellless, waxy solid. They are easily too soluble in the water due to the presence of hydrogen bonding, and they are partially soluble in the organic solvents, and they are liquid in the nature up to 12 carbon atoms. This is the first three important physical properties of the alcohol. And fourth point is melting point. Here MP is nothing but melting point, and boiling point is always directly proportional to the molecular mass. Listen very carefully my dear students. The molecular mass of the alcohol actually decided to melting point and boiling point. If number of carbon atoms are increases in the alcohol, automatically melting point and boiling point is also increases. What is the reason? Number of carbon atoms are present in the more than 10 carbon atoms or more than 5 carbon atoms are present in the alcohol. What happened here? The break the bonds is more time. That's why boiling point is also, temperature is the more required. So it's the most important point. Melting point and boiling point of the alcohol, it's depending in the molecular mass. That's why melting point and boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular mass. After that here, molecular mass is inversely proportional to the number of the branches. So here two formulas are present. Number one, melting point and boiling point is directly proportional to the molecular mass. Hence, the molecular mass inversely proportional to the number of branches. If the number of side branches are increases, molecular mass is decreases. But molecular mass is increases, melting point and boiling point is increases. It's a clear ma? Four physical properties. And fifth physical properties is boiling point of alcohol are higher than the equivalent ethers. So generally, you know that very well, alcohol and ethers are the functional isomerism category compound. Functional isomerism category. It means same molecular formula but different functional groups are there. But here, boiling point of view, alcohol are higher than the equivalent of the ethers due to the, already you know that very well, hydrogen bonding. See here, this is the boiling point of order. 1 degree alcohol maximum, next 2 degree, next 3 degree alcohol. And last and final point in the category of the physical properties of alcohol, alcohol generally toxic in nature. Toxic means poisonous. So alcohol generally toxic in nature. These are the physical properties of the alcohol. The 6 points are very very important in case of board level, 2 marks point of view as well as the 3 marks point of view. Keep it in your mind my dear students. Lower alcohol are colorless liquid, higher alcohol are colorless, smellless, waxy solid. Okay ma? And my question right now here, see, listen carefully. Why alcohol easily soluble in water? Why alcohol easily soluble in water? Because of hydrogen bonding. And molecular mass of the alcohol increases with molecular mass of the or boiling point or melting point of the alcohol increases with increasing of the molecular mass. These 2 points are important key points from the properties of alcohol. Okay ma? Now we are going to start chemical properties. Listen my dear students, the chemical properties of alcohol, not only alcohol, in all kind of the functional group, phenol, ether, amines, carboxylic acid such as ketone, carbonyl compounds such as ketone, aldehyde, carboxylic acid. These are all are the chemical properties is very important. The chemical properties of the functional group to decide your NEET rank. That's why every student seriously focused all kind of chemical properties of the functional group such as haloalkanes, haloarenes, alcohol, ketones, ether, carboxylic acid, amines, etc. Okay ma? Now we are going to discussing chemical properties of the alcohol. See here, chemical reaction of alcohol are classified in the following 3 steps. So generally in alcohol point of view, my dear students, the chemical properties are classified into 3 category, basically 3 category. Each and every category again some more extra examples are there, but ultimately the chemical properties of the alcohol classified into 3 category. See what based, see listen carefully what based. Here RXN is nothing but reaction, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. First point in the chemical properties, alcohol involved in the generally 3 different type of classification. First one is the reactions involving cleavage. What is the meaning of cleavage? Cleavage is nothing but break the bonds, breaking the bonds. So where is breaking the bonds? In between of the cleavage is nothing but break the bonds. So where is break the bonds? You know that very well. Alcohol are generally ROH. If in between of the oxygen to hydrogen bond maybe break means some chemical properties are there. So reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Second one is reactions involving cleavage of COH bond. See my dear students, generally ROH, this is the general formula of the alcohol. So if the cleavage presence in between of the oxygen to hydrogen, some chemical properties are there. After that R2OH, the cleavage between R2OH, some other chemical properties are there. So these are the first 2 classified chemical properties. First one is the reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Second one is the reaction involving cleavage of COH bond. So in case of the first category, only cleavage presence in the oxygen to hydrogen. In the second category, the cleavage only presence in the carbon to, or nothing but carbon is nothing but alkyl group, carbon to OH group. It's a clear. So individuality, oxygen to hydrogen cleavage, some chemical properties are there. Carbon to OH cleavage, some other chemical properties are there. But ultimately, third one, general reaction of alcohol. It means both cleavage present in one time. This is the individual cleavage. First of all, in between oxygen to hydrogen. After that, carbon to OH. But suddenly here, both alkyl group as well as the OH group, one time 2 cleavage. That is also another classified. So ultimately, in the chemical properties of the alcohol, classified basically 3 categories. Again I repeated, reactions involving cleavage of OH bond, reactions involving cleavage of COH bond, general reactions of alcohol, both alkyl as well as OH group. Okay ma? First now we are going to discussing reactions involving the cleavage of OH bond. It means the bond breaking in between of the oxygen to hydrogen. Clear my dear students? This is the most important. See here, these are the reaction. In this reaction, in which alcohol show acidic character. Write down in your rough notebook or class notebook. If the alcohol involving the cleavage of OH bond, alcohol act as a acidic character. What kind of acidic character? Weak acidic character. It's not a strong acidic character. What is the reason? If the alcohol cleavage presence of in between of the oxygen to hydrogen, why alcohol act as a alcohol? See in this representation equation, ROH, this is ROH, general alcohol equation. Now here break the bond, OH break the bond. You know that what is the acid? Any compound to give H plus ions. Any compound it give H plus ions, that is considered as a acid. But now here see carefully, ROH is a alcohol. After cleavage of OH, H is separated. H plus is separated. So alcohol it can easily to give H plus ion. That's why it's considered as a acidic character. Understood, my dear students? But what kind of acid? Weak acid. It is not a strong acid. It's a weak acid. See, in the cleavage of OH bond, alcohol act as a weak acid. See here, ROH. Here O negative charge plus H plus is nothing but considered as a acid. So that's why alcohol is act as a weak acid. Now again I will explain this very clearly. See, the acidic nature of alcohol, here alcohol showing the acidic nature. The acidic nature of alcohol is due to polarity of the OH bond. Here oxygen atom being more electronegative, pulls the shared pair of electron of OH bond. Now what happened here, in this single bond, in between of oxygen to hydrogen, single bonds are there. If this bond is breaking, means what happened, the electron migrated to oxygen side. What is the reason why electron migrated to oxygen side? Because of oxygen is the higher electronegative element. So higher electronegative element means after breaking the bonds, easily to accepted the hydrogen electron towards the oxygen side. Upon which here negative charge is formed. Now here positive charge is formed. If the positive charge, hydrogen contain positive charge, definitely the entire molecule act as a acidic behavior. It's a clear, my dear students? So now see here, this is alcohol, this is alkoxide ion. So that's why in this process, here alcohol act as a weak acid. So act as a weak acid, but here important point, see, their acidic strength, there means here alcohol, their acidic strength is even less than water. You know, my dear students, generally water is a neutral compound. It's not a acid, is not a base, but a little bit percentage of acidic characters are there. But here alcohol also showing the acidic character. That acidic character, the acidic strength is even less than water molecule. So see here Ka approximately 10 to the power of minus 18 value. So that's why here alcohol involving the cleavage of OH bond, it's act as a very weak acid. Clear? And another point, the general order of the reactivity of alcohol. In case of the cleavage of OH bond. So if 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol, 3 degree alcohol. So 1 degree alcohol is more reactivity involved in this cleavage of OH bond. So 1 degree is greater than, 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. These are the important points. From this concept, two important key points are present here. First point is alcohol involved in the cleavage of OH bond, it acts as a weak acid. That acidic strength, it's less than of the water. And here order of the reactivity of the alcohol, 1 degree alcohol is a more reactive than 2 degree alcohol after 3 degree alcohol. Now we are going to discussing number of examples of, some other examples of the cleavage of OH bond. From this category, our 6 examples are there. See carefully here. First example, reactions with metals. This reaction is the part of the cleavage of OH bond. See, first of all, on reactions with active metals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, etc., liberated hydrogen gas. See, my dear student, in this equation or in this state reaction, if alcohol reacted with active metals, what happened? Hydrogen gas is liberated. Now my question, my dear students, how alcohol to give hydrogen gas? How alcohol to produce hydrogen gas? with reactions with active metals such as sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, etc. Just check it out here clearly. Equation 2ROH. This is alcohol group 2ROH plus active metal here sodium. Now what happened? This equation is belonging to the cleavage of OH bond. This equation is belonging to the cleavage of OH bond. So now here break the bond in between of the oxygen to hydrogen. Break the bond means what happened? 2R as usual here 2R, but O here O is there. This 2 sodium directly connected with oxygen. Hence 2RONA, 2RONA. This is called sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide is formed. After that hydrogen gas is liberated. Hydrogen gas is the liberated. See very very important point. Alcohol reacted with active metals. Hydrogen gas is liberated along with sodium alkoxide is also formed. This is the general representation equation. Now here example. CH3OH methyl alcohol reacted with sodium. Here sodium methoxide. Sodium methoxide is formed and hydrogen gas is liberated. See Nana, where is cleavage is present here in between of the OH bond. That's why this reaction is the belongings to the category of cleavage of the OH bond. So here OH cleavage is there. After that alcohol cleavage in between of the oxygen to hydrogen. Hence sodium alkoxide is formed along with the hydrogen gas is liberated. This is the first chemical properties in the reactions involving cleavage of the OH bond. After that second equation, second reaction, reactions with metal hydrides. Metal hydride. See here ROH metal hydride, sodium hydride, this is sodium hydride. After that what happened here? Here cleavage is there. Cleavage where is located? In between of the oxygen to hydrogen. Because of these are all equation is a category of the cleavage of OH bond. So after that RONA plus H2 is liberated. Even metal hydride also, listen, not only metals, even metal hydride is also to give hydrogen gas whenever reacted with alcohol. So methyl alcohol reacted with sodium hydride, CH3ONA plus H2 is formed. And third, reactions with carboxylic acid. This is the most important 2 marks question. Esterification of alcohol. So, or nothing but esterification. This entire the process, another name is the esterification. So, reactions with carboxylic acid. Reactions with carboxylic acid, this is nothing but esterification. So, here alcohol reacted with carboxylic acid. This is the carboxylic acid. RCOOH, carboxylic acid, alcohol in the presence of the concentrated sulfuric acid. Now what happened? Ester is formed. RCOOR, ester, and additionally water molecules are formed. So that's why this reaction name is esterification. Esterification means ester is obtained in this equation, in this reaction. See here, CH3 COOH, CH3COOH, it's alcohol. Now reacted with ethyl, this is the carboxylic acid, CH3COOH, this is alcohol, CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol and acetic acid. Now what happened? Here cleavage, where is the located cleavage? In between of the H2, here OH, actually here H2OH, this is the H2OH, not like this one. H2OH, here cleavage is there, here cleavage is there. So water molecule is eliminated because of from the alcohol O to H bond breaking here. So this H and this side OH is separated as a water molecule in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Ultimately ethyl ethanoate is formed. This is the formula of ethyl ethanoate and ethyl acetate. Additionally water molecule is formed. So this is the reactions with the carboxylic acid. It's nothing but esterification. It's nothing but esterification. And fourth chemical properties from the category of cleavage OH bond. Reactions with Grignard reagent. You know that very well. Grignard reagent is nothing but alkyl magnesium halide. So alkyl magnesium halide reacted with alcohol. Grignard reagent reacted with alcohol. what product is formed here? Alkane and alkoxy magnesium halide is formed. Alkane, alkoxy magnesium halide is formed. See my dear students, alcohol whenever reacted with Grignard reagent, the products is alkane, alkoxy magnesium halide. So see here, this is the general representation equation, and ethyl alcohol reacted with methyl magnesium bromide. Now methane is formed, and ethoxy magnesium bromide is formed. This is the reactions with the Grignard reagent. See carefully, if the Grignard reagent reacted with alcohol, the major product is the alkane. Okay ma? Next, fifth reaction. Reactions with ethylene oxide. Now this compound name is alcohol. Alcohol reacted with CH2, CH2O. It's ethylene oxide. Alcohol reacted with ethylene oxide. Now this is the intermediate product. So now what happened? Cleavage where is located? Here oxygen to hydrogen. This hydrogen is connected with this oxygen. After that, this migrated to first CH2 group. So first CH2 group. After that, this CH2 group directly attacked to the OR group. Now intermediate product is CH2OR, CHOH. After that, again this intermediate product again reacted with alcohol. Now what happened here? This OH from the alcohol group OH, from this compound H is separated, eliminated of water molecule. So ultimately here product is formed. What is the product name? CH2OR. This compound name is 1,2-dialkoxy ethane. 1,2-dialkoxy ethane is formed. This is the reactions with ethylene oxide. And last and final, from the cleavage of OH bond, reactions with ketone. Alcohol, ketane. This is the ketane. CH2 double bond C double bond O, ketane. It's involved in this cleavage of OH bond. Ultimately, ketoform is formed. Okay, my dear students. From this category, there are 6 reactions are there. What is the category name? Cleavage of OH bond. So after that, in my next session, I will continue reactions involving the COH bond. Okay, ma?